The top 3 of the best underwater scooters are finally here. Whether you're snorkeling, diving, or just exploring the sea for fun, these scooters bring power, speed, and underwater freedom to elevate your next aquatic adventure. In the third, the Camelec Underwater Scooter is a compact, powerful, and travel-friendly device, equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor, capable of reaching speeds between 3 and 9 kilometers per hour, offering up to 60 minutes of runtime with its airline-approved 98 watt-hour battery, and designed to fit in carry-on luggage for easy portability. Its modular design includes a detachable handheld grip and the ability to mount it on a SUP or kayak for additional propulsion, while its cruise mode and waterproof remote add extra control and freedom underwater. The one-piece injection-molded plastic shell is not only lightweight, but also highly resistant to impact, corrosion, and saltwater damage, ensuring long-term use even in harsh marine environments. With dual operation modes and child-friendly usability, it's a versatile tool suitable for snorkeling, paddleboarding, or even pool play. Customers love its value for money, strong pull, and solid build, although some reported difficulty fitting it properly onto their SUP or misunderstood its features due to the English-only manual. In conclusion, the Camelec scooter offers great power and flexibility in a tough and compact design, making it a fun and efficient underwater companion for various water activities, though minor compatibility or language barriers may require some extra attention during setup. Second, the Wadu Subnado is an ultra-compact and lightweight underwater scooter weighing just 3 pounds, making it perfect for travel and backpacking, with an airline-compliant battery that fully charges in just 1.2 hours and supports up to 56 minutes of operation. It offers 3 speed levels, cruise mode, and reverse charging to power up other devices, all while delivering 14.33 pounds of thrust for solid underwater propulsion. Its robust aluminum alloy housing allows for dives up to 197 feet, and it includes a wide range of accessories like finger ring controllers, arm and leg mounts, and camera brackets for versatile use, making it ideal for video shooting or hands-free movement. The user-friendly design includes a one-finger throttle and safety features like a detachable finger guard. Customers appreciate the scooter's mobility, size, and ease of use, especially in pools. But reviews are mixed regarding battery life and durability, with some praising its speed and others noting it feels too slow or breaks after a few months. In conclusion, the Wadu Subnado is a sleek, travel-ready underwater scooter with smart control options and a creative mounting system, great for casual and hobby use, though it may not be robust enough for more intense or long-term underwater exploration. And to finish, first of all, the Peng Kun underwater scooter takes the top spot with its brushless DC motor, delivering precise linear speed control, up to 17 pounds of thrust, and a max speed of 2 meters per second for stable and smooth underwater propulsion. It includes a TSA-compliant battery with 60 minutes of runtime and USB-C fast charging for convenient recharging. Its modular and tool-free design makes it easy to assemble and disassemble like building blocks, while its lightweight form fits easily in a backpack for effortless travel. Built with high-quality corrosion-resistant materials, it dives safely up to 50 meters and includes quiet, low-vibration operation under an advanced FOC control system. With 3 adjustable speeds and GoPro compatibility, it's perfect for both beginners and pros looking to capture immersive footage during dives or snorkeling sessions. Customers love its performance, battery life, ease of use, and compact design, with many highlighting its value during trips and praising how well it works across various water conditions. Minor complaints include some condensation under certain rainfly conditions and slight zip issues, but no major performance drawbacks are consistently noted. In conclusion, the Peng Kun scooter offers the best balance of power, portability, user-friendliness, and video functionality, making it the ultimate pick for underwater adventure seekers who want a reliable and immersive experience. In summary, these top 3 underwater scooters are perfect for elevating your next ocean or pool adventure. The Camelec offers strong performance, cruise mode, and multi-mount versatility in a rust-proof, impact-resistant shell, great for all ages. The Wadu Subnado is ultra-light and travel-ready, with flexible controls and accessory support, ideal for casual underwater fun, but with mixed feedback on durability. The Peng Kun stands out with smooth power, modular setup, deep dive capability, and GoPro compatibility, making it the best choice for serious explorers and underwater filming. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon!